The College of Architecture helps a West Central Nebraska community plan its future. Community and regional planning faculty and students met at an open house with citizens of Ogallala to gather information and opinions about the city's future growth and land use development. The objective is to create strategic goals and recommend city planning actions for an even more thriving community in the next 20 years.
The City of Ogallala has not updated their comprehensive plan in over 20 years. We knew we had to do update our comprehensive plan. A relationship with the University of Nebraska opened up this opportunity for have graduate students lead us through this planning process. And what it does is I think it brings life to the planning process that otherwise wouldn't have existed if you would have went a more traditional route. And this is just one specific and other example of how small towns in greater Nebraska can tap into the resources of the university.
From our recent meeting, it was great. Our students and our faculty delivered pretty good planning expertise and the good informations, and was well received by the community and stakeholders and the leaders of the community. That process was smoothly worked. There are some couple of challenges and difficulties, but we were able to get over, and then we have a very strong connection with the community now. I think this is a good example of community engagement project.
So the most rewarding aspect was the engagement with the people. That's something can't be taught in the classroom. So with this comprehensive plan, I was able to connect with those people and understand how public engagement works and how you have to deal with the people and how to listen to them. That was very important for us to know that. So this is something I gained from this comprehensive plan study.
The students will share the information and ideas with the community for further engagement at the end of the semester.